Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Outstanding car, guys. This car come actually from a buddy of ours. Car's out of Georgia. We'll get this truck by us now. But car's out of Georgia. This was a buddy of ours' car. He did not restore it. It was done about 5 years ago. But he said that this car has actually been in Georgia as long as he's known it. And he bought the car, played with it for about a year, and then he sold it to his dad, who's had the car since. But he said it's the kind of car, matter of fact, just talked to him this morning again, but he said his dad drove this car 40 minutes to work. He said, you can get in this car and drive it to California. This car was built to cruise. If you're looking for something to get in, turn the key and drive, you are going to love this car. Slick, bright red paint. It's got the white Z28 striping. It is not a real Z. They're all clear coated. Stripes are clear coated over top. Very nicely done. Steel cowl hood. Just a little baby doll right here. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Front and rear spoilers. Again, it does have all the Z28 trim, but it is not a Z. Paint coat is actually in the glove box for the car. It's got the 33 call outs on the hood there. Dual chrome mirrors. Killer car. And this thing runs, guys. If you want something a little horsepower, something that'll get down and boogie, you're gonna like this car. The only thing that stinks, as you can see, our Michigan winter is here, and look how nice. I mean, all the little cracks and crevices are just nice on this car. It's a great car. You can see our Michigan winters here, so unfortunately it's really sloppy, so we're not going to run this thing down the road today and make a mess of it, but it runs strong. Sorry, man. The bumper will wipe off nice. I think you're just seeing a little wax, a little residue got left behind. Rear spoiler, little touch-up mark. There's not a whole lot you can really pick, guys. This thing is clean, straight, gorgeous old car. You see how nice it is down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Those are two 5560s on the rear. That's an 8-inch wide American Racing Torque Thrust D wheels. I love the old salt flat caps that they got on it. I think they're about 250 bucks a piece. That's a killer car, man. That's gonna come off. Yep, that's just a little something that splashed up when we pulled it out. Full wheel disc brakes. Again, you see that salt flat American Racing cap on there. Those are really cool. It's got that old school, I call it the old school Woodward look. 215s, I believe, on the front. Again, full wheel disc brakes. That car just looks good. Really slick paint. Again, 383 aluminum headed stroker motor. Great sound. Pulls strong. Holley dual feed 4-barrel polished intake. Again, aluminum heads. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner on it with the Chevrolet billet valve covers on it. Power steering, aluminum water pump, hooker, super cop, ceramic headers on it. power 4-wheel disc brakes. It also has Detroit speed tubular control arms with coil-over shocks on the front. All MSD Pro Billet distributor. It's got an MSD digital 6AL ignition box in it. Brand new. He said actually it's only got about 1,500 miles on it. Tremec 5-speed manual trans. Said they just did that. That's just a killer car right there. It's got some aluminum brackets on the front there. I'm gonna do my best. I know, guys, I've been out of town. I apologize. You can pick those mirrors a little bit and see a little. And I know guys have been just calling and wanting videos. Door handles looks like they're new. I'll try to knock them out as best I can. We got some horrible weather coming, so I'll do my best. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. It's got the black interior. He said the seat covers are new. He just did that. Hounds Tooth interior. It was a factory standard black car that they added the Hounds Tooth. New carpet, you can see new sill plates. These door jambs are nice and clean. Looks like it's got all the seat belts in it. Again, seats are new. Headliner looks great. Gorgeous sports steering wheel in it. 4710, I'm assuming that's on your restoration. Clock works, factory does have the factory tach, heater works, AM radio works, parking brake works, and then they put in that Pro Comp cluster for all your other gauges. Again, the paint code is in the glove box. Hurst shifter. It's got a X-pipe Magnaflow stainless steel exhaust system in it. It is a 390 posi rear axle. It's got traction bars on it. It's got finned aluminum valve covers on it, or not valve cover, finned aluminum cover on it. And it's all spackle coated in here and nice and clean like it should be. And it's an outstanding car. Fit and finish is nice. Everything is nice and tight when you drive it down the road. Clean underneath. As always, there's always photos of the cars underneath. We're stressing to people right now to please give us a call if you're looking at one of our cars. A lot of scams going on the internet right now. So if you see a Southern Motors call, you think you're dealing with Southern Motors, please call 248-620-3355. Very important. Yeah, you see the new carpet, sill plates are new. That's a killer car right there, man. It's just nice. Dash pad's nice. And the gauges are nice and clean. Glass is nice. The door, when you shut the doors fit up nice. And this thing scoots. Guys, this thing's got some horsepower. Nothing crazy. Still runs on pump gas, but it'll go. God, those 69 Camaros are tough, man. Yeah, that car is just nice. Tach works. Like I say, clock works. Parking brake works. Great sound. Got a nice exhaust system on it. Yeah, that's killer car, man. You want a nice 69, you're gonna fall in love with this thing. Your radio works, blower motor works, and all your gauges here are functional. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. I mean, that's just a nice car. Little sweetheart right there. That's a good one right there, guys. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. That way you can get an update every time I post a new video. You can now also subscribe to our website. Have a great day, guys.